Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you how much does World of Warcraft War Within costs. But before I show you that, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for $1 your first month if you click my link in the description. Now, how much is it going to cost? Well, if you open up Battle.net, then you go to Shop, you click on Shop, Warcraft, click World of Warcraft, scroll down, and you will see the World of Warcraft, the new expansion. So if I were to tap on that, you have 3 editions: base edition, heroic, and epic edition. So 50 euros, 70 euros, or 90 euros. There are a bit of differences, like for example in the base you don't get the flying mount. For example, you don't get this transmog set and some other stuff, but with epic you get even more stuff, and that's pretty much it. So these are the prices. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you still have some questions, let me know them in the comments down below.